Halo guys, oke, hari ini saya akan tunjuk cara bagi mandi burung nih ya, burung kokou. Anyway, let me just introduce to you. This bird is called Albert. Alright, I've been taking care of him since he was small. Actually there was two of them, tapi yang satu kena makan kucing, so I'm taking care of the brother lah. Okay, I don't know brother or sister, but anyway, okay. I'm gonna teach you how to shower the bird. Alright? Okay, come, bird. I'm gonna release the water first because it's too hot. So you release the water and then you test. It's too hot, so if it is hot, you don't really like. Dia kena yang sejuk baru dia suka. Alright? Come on, you all bird. Alright, I'm gonna shower you, okay? Alright. So this bird does not need a lot of water. He actually just need just a little bit of water, and then he's ready to shower already. Okay, like right. So you just let him test the water a little bit. Oh, okay. He loves me so much. Okay, come on, Albert. You want to shower? Okay, I'll let you shower. Come on, Albert. You can go here. All right. See? Look at that. Look at how you shower. Pazun Albert. Yes. Shower. Come on. Yes. This bird loves to shower. Look at him. I shower him every day. Right? Right. See? Come on, Albert. Yeah. I think he still wants to shower something. Now, come on. Go. Yes. Come on. Shower, but go. Right. Yes. He loves it so much. Look at him. Burung ni dia panggil burung kokou. Kriakau kadusun. Mangawilado. Inilah kriakau mangawilado. Okay, that's about it. I think you want to drink some water also. Come on, bud. That's it. Enough. Okay, lepas dia mandi, normally the bird will dry his feather. So I'm gonna put him under the sun for a while. See, he's not that cold actually. You can see that he's actually shivering, tapi he's not shivering because he's cold. Cuma dia kasih. This is how they actually dry their feather. Alright, look at that. And they will not normally fly when the feather is wet, because they cannot fly when it's wet. It's heavy and they tidak boleh mengandung angin. So I'm gonna let him under the sun for like at least 5 minutes, and after that he's ready to play around again. That's it. Thank you.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop